Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a video of this 52-inch GE Reese Ceiling Fan. This is installed over the dining room table at my Grab and Jay's condo. I just finished filming that fan. The reason why it's off is because for some reason when this one was put up, because this one was put up last, that one and the one in there, which is identical to this one. This one, whenever you push the button on the remote, which I have here, this one, the other two respond to this remote for some reason. I tried reprogramming this one, it didn't do anything, so maybe I need to reprogram that one and the one over in that room. Just light. Just speed. One. See the logo up there. This was bought at Costco along with the other two. Don't remember the price.
More polarization of our politics. People feeling they have the freedom to engage in inappropriate behavior. Regina police say the incident will be investigated, but they don't know if it will lead to charges. Wayne Mantika, CTV News, Regina.
The provincial government has approved more land for logging in the province. Timber allocations for
I should have mentioned the blade finishes are silver and black. The black is on top, the silver's on the bottom.
The softwood permit will support the expansion of the Carrot River sawmill to increase
There was
production by 75%.
another one of those lights. It's right there, here. But
Big River will help the mill operate at full capacity and produce more lumber. The province aims to double the forest industry by 2030. Saskatchewan saw a 30% increase in
she wanted a fan in this area, so it just was logical to swap out the dining room light for a fan. So, and the light that came down from here is at the lake, so it has been for a while. Speed 2.
Coles grows sunflowers every year, but she says she's never seen anything like it. A local plant scientist agrees the plant is quite rare.
A mutation happened while that flower was still just a clump of cells starting to come together, or it could be that some genes got turned on, because like every cell in a plant has the genes to make roots and flowers and stems.
Coles plans to keep the seeds from the sunflower and see what turns up next year when she plants them.
Speed 3.
With seasonal temperatures today, with more of the same expected in the forecast, we could see some showers this weekend. Details later in the hour.
Also, still to come, a true story about a couple of lovebirds.
CTV News is brought to you by Ashley Home Store. This is home.
Question.
Speed
Is this
4.
a photo moment or video moment? Why not both? The epic camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G.
These definitely do throw, especially this one. This one throws a good amount of air. I noticed that one you can't really feel when it's on its highest speed. You can't really feel probably because it's got on its down rod and it's just close to the ceiling.
And also,
But and it makes noise, as you've already said.
it's not level or something, hey?
Looks pretty level to me.
Or whatever. It's not. Yeah, that one's better.
There's the light with the fan. And there it is off. Now I'll move on to the one that's in that room.